Hi there. I'm a teacher.
Hello, I'm a farmer. Nice to meet you.
It's great to meet you too.
So, what do you teach?
I teach English to middle school students.
That sounds interesting. I work on a farm and grow crops.
That's amazing. I've always admired farmers for their hard work.
Thank you. It's a challenging but rewarding profession.
I can imagine. Teaching can also be challenging, but seeing my students learn and grow makes it all worth it.
Absolutely. It's the same with farming. Seeing the fruits of my labor brings a sense of accomplishment.
I completely understand. By the way, do you have any family members involved in farming?
Yes, I come from a long line of farmers. My father and grandfather were farmers too.
That's wonderful. It must be nice to carry on that family tradition.
It definitely is. I'm proud to continue the legacy and pass down the knowledge to the next generation.
That's commendable. Family traditions are important and keep our roots alive.
Indeed. I believe it's important to preserve our cultural heritage and the values that come with it.
I couldn't agree more. It's been great talking to you and learning about your profession and family background.
Likewise. It's been a pleasure getting to know you and hearing about your role as a teacher.
Thank you. Maybe we can share more stories and insights in the future.
I would love that. Let's stay in touch and continue our conversation.
Absolutely. Let's exchange contact information so we can stay connected.
Sounds like a plan. Here's my phone number and email address.
Thank you. I'll give you my contact details as well.
Great. I'm looking forward to keeping in touch and learning more about your experiences as a teacher.
Likewise. I'm curious to hear more about your farming practices and the challenges you face.
I'll be happy to share my knowledge and stories with you. Farming is a constant learning process.
That's wonderful. I believe there's always something valuable to learn from different professions.
Absolutely. We can learn so much from each other and broaden our horizons.
I couldn't agree more. It's through these conversations that we grow as individuals and as a society.
Well said. It's important to foster understanding and appreciation for all professions.
Indeed. Our diverse skills and expertise contribute to the rich tapestry of our communities.
That's a beautiful way to put it. Our professions may be different, but our shared goal is to make a positive impact.
You're absolutely right. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of those we serve.
I'm grateful to have had this conversation with you. Let's keep inspiring each other.
I feel the same way. Thank you for sharing your perspective and for the inspiration. Let's stay connected and continue our journey of learning and growth.
Definitely. Take care, and until we meet again.
You too. Best of luck with your farming endeavors. Goodbye for now.